Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Adinda Sekarlangit with student ID 25010555042. Today, I will review a film with the name Door to Door, which was released in 2002. First, let's talk about where and when this amazing story takes place. This movie is set in the beautiful city of Portland, Oregon. And what makes this movie unique? It is long timelines. The story starts in the years 1955, a time when door-to-door salesmen a very common thing in America. As the movie goes on, we can see the environment change. We travel through the 1960, 70, 80, and it finally ends in the 1990. This setting is very important because it shows the transition of modern society from a time who neighbors tell to each other daily to a faster modern era filled with technology where direct human connected start to disappear. Now, let's introduce the people who makes this movie so special. There are three main characters that we really need to focus on. The one is Bill Porter. Bill Porter is played by William Macy. He is the heart and soul of the film. Bill was born with cerebral palsy, which affects his speech and his ability to walk smoothly. But mentally, he is a giant. He is incredibly determined, independent, and proud. He hates it when people feel sorry for him. He has a dry, witty sense of humor and a heart full of kindness. And the second is Miss Porter. Miss Porter is Bill's mother. Miss Porter, played by Helen Mirren. She is the definition of a strong mother. She is deeply loving, protective, but also strict in a good way. She never lets Bill feel like a victim. She is the one who builds Bill's strong foundation of confidence. And the last is Shelley. Shelley, played by Kyra Sedgwick. She enters Bill's life later as his assistant. Shelley is compassionate, loyal, and incredibly patient. She doesn't just help Bill with his physical work. She becomes his true friend and emotional anchor when times get tough. The character I like the most is, without a doubt, is Bill Porter. It is impossible not to love him. What I admire most about Bill is his dignity. In life, many people with far fewer challenge complain about everything, but Bill never complains. Which character do you like the last and why? To be honest, it is hard to dislike any character completely because the movie is very realistic about human nature. However, if I have to choose, I dislike the Watkins Company, the manager one, at the beginning of the movie. When Bill first applies for the job, this manager looks at Bill's physically disability and immediately assumes he cannot sell anything. He doesn't even give Bill a chance to speak or try. It represents the unfair prejudice that many disabled people face every day. He judged a book by its cover, which is a very frustrating to watch. Now I'm gonna describe the plot of the movie. The beginning, the story starts with Bill Porter as a young man trying to find a job. Because of his cerebral palsy, no one wants to hire him. His mother encouraged him to try the Watkins Company as a door-to-door salesman. After manager rejects him, Bill doesn't give up. He asks for the worst and hardest route, a neighborhood where no salesman has ever succeeded. The company finally agrees. On his first few days, he faced cruel rejection, heavy rain, and physical pain. But he keeps walking day after day. The middle, as time goes on, Bill's consistently pays off. He learns about his customers' personal lives and helps them. He becomes more than a salesman. He becomes a friend to the lonely people on his route. He sells product by selling kindness. However, tragedy hits. His mother develops Alzheimer's disease. Bill now has to take care of her while working. After his mother passes away, Bill is heartbroken and lonely. But he hires Sally to help him, and together they keep his career moving forward. He even becomes the top salesman of the company. At the end, the story jumps to the late 1990. The world has changed. People now buy things online or from big supermarkets. Nobody wants a door-to-door salesman anymore. To make things worse, Bill gets hit by a car and can no longer walk long distances. The company tries to put him in a telephone sales job, but he hates computer and technology, and he feels unless. But at the very end, Bill decides to go back to the streets, even if it's hard. As he walks his old road, his old customers come out to hug him and thank him for being a part of their lives for 40 years. He realizes that his true achievement wasn't just selling products, but connecting human hearts. My absolute favorite part of the movie is when Bill finally wins over the most difficult customer, a grumpy, lonely man who always screamed at him to go away. Bill never got angry. He noticed that the man loved a specific type of food, So Bill brought it to him. Eventually, the man opened the door, bought a product, and they become friends. I love this scene because it shows that Bill's secret weapon is not a clever sales pitch, but genuine empathy. It proves that kindness can break down the tallest and coolest walls. The part that is the hardest to watch is the mental decline of Bill's mother due to Alzheimer's. There is a scene where she looks at Bill and doesn't recognize him anymore. She asks him to who he is. This scene is heartbreaking because she was the one who gave him his identity and strength. Watching Bill realize that his mother is slowly slipping away is deeply painful. It's a very heavy emotional scene, but it is necessary to show the truth weight of Bill's real life struggles. There are two massive life lessons we can take from this masterpiece movie. First is the power of patience and persistence. This was Bill's life motto. In our modern lives, we often want instant success. If we fail once, we want to give up. Bill teach us that success is built by showing up every day, even when it rains, even when you are tired. And the second, it teach you about human value. A person's value is not decided by their physical appearance, wealth, or speed. Bill had a disabled body, but he brought joy, connections, and love to hundreds of people. He made the world a warmer place just by doing his job with love. I highly recommend it door to door to two groups of people. First, to students and young professionals who are about to enter workforce because it will give you a reality check on what hard work and professionalism really look like. Second, I recommended this to anyone who is currently doing through a dark time, feeling insecure or wanting to give up on their dreams. This movie is not just entertainment, it is medicine for the soul. It will make you cry, it will make you laugh, but most importantly, it will make you look in the mirror and say, if Bill Porter could do it, I can do it too. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.